So now let's solve the second question here. Consider a circle x square plus y square is equal to a square. So we have a circle, let point a comma 0. So that's the point on the x-axis, and with a comma 0 of course is the point on the circle also. Be a point on the circle, and d alpha beta be a given point inside the circle. BC be an arbitrary chord through D, and whose slope is tan theta. Then AM of BD and DC is. So of course, whenever we have to solve any question of coordinate geometry, we should always start by drawing a rough figure. Okay, appropriate figure rather I will say, instead of calling it to be rough. So that's the point A here, a comma 0. There's a point D somewhere. Let's say this is alpha comma beta. Now there's a chord passing through D, so arbitrary chord, so any chord, but its slope is also given, so it can't be arbitrary in that case. I mean, it's not a variable type of chord, okay, which intersect the circle at B and C. What do we need? We need the arithmetic mean of BD, and so arithmetic mean of BD and DC. So how much is it? So that means we need the sum BD plus DC by 2. Okay, now this here itself lie the key. Now what is it? See, I always say whenever we need distance along the line from the fixed point, now both BD and DC are the distances along the same line BC from the fixed point D. So this is one, this is another one. So if I call one as R1 and the one as R2, we need R1 plus R2 by 2. But whenever we need it, how do we start? We start with the parametric form of equation of line. So let's start. The parametric form is x minus alpha, and since we are given the slope is tan theta, so we will be using here is cos theta, so y minus beta. So we have already used it in our question, isn't that bachcho? Is equal to r. So therefore any point P on this line, so it's nothing but r cos theta plus alpha comma r sin theta plus beta. So that's it. Okay, now see, is this line intersect the given circle? So these points must satisfy the circle. So for the points of intersection, we need to satisfy this variable point in terms of r being the parameter. So what is r? See, r is nothing but the distance of any variable point x comma y from the fixed point on the line which is alpha comma beta. Okay, so now let's satisfy in the equation. So it will be equation of circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square. So x square, so r cos theta plus alpha whole square plus y square which is r sin theta plus beta whole square minus a square equal to 0. Now collect the terms of same degree. So see, since it will be intersecting the curve which is a circle at 2 points only, hence we got a quadratic in R. But if the curve would have been a cubic curve, so it might happen that the line could have the chord, or the line could have intersected the curve at 3 points. So the number of points of intersection will decide the degree of the equation which you get here in terms of variable r. Be very sure about it, bachcho. So now just open it. So r square cos square plus sin square is 1, and then if you take 2r common, it will be alpha cos theta plus beta sin theta plus alpha square plus beta square minus a square equal to 0. Now what? Now look at what we want and what we got. We want r1 plus r2 by 2. So therefore sum of the root r1 plus r2 is minus b by a. So it's minus 2 times alpha cos theta plus beta sin theta. That's our r1 plus r2. So therefore the mean of BD and DC will be bachcho. So you divide it by 2. So minus 2 times alpha cos theta plus beta sin theta r1 plus r2 by 2. 2 gets cancelled, and the answer should be minus times alpha cos theta plus beta sin theta bachcho. Okay, so those were 2 questions from coordinate geometry for today bachcho.